Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope you have a great day. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to cook center cut pork chops. They're very easy to make, so let's just get right into it. You know Mama Boo doesn't like to waste time. And for this recipe, you need about 3 center cut pork chops, chopped garlic, honey, soy sauce, lemon juice, black pepper, and some salt. We are going to start off by seasoning our pork chops with salt and black pepper. Guys, make sure you don't put too much salt. This recipe calls for soy sauce, and soy sauce is high in sodium. In a large skillet, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I'm gonna brown my pork chop on both sides. I'm gonna cook over medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes or until juices run clear. At 6 minutes of cooking, we're gonna flip our pork chops and let them continue to cook for another 6 minutes. Our pork chops are ready. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove them from the pan, cover them, and set them aside until ready to use. Into the skillet, I'm gonna add garlic, and I'm gonna add soy sauce, lemon juice, and honey. That's honey for my honey. Then guys, I'm gonna stir all this together. Sauce is ready, guys. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Okay. Now we're gonna plate our pork chop, guys. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. Then I'm gonna drizzle the sauce on top, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Then we're gonna finish off with parsley. There you have it, guys. Honey garlic pork chops. This dish, guys, is so easy and quick to make. You just prep everything. Total time is 30 minutes, and there you have your dinner on the table. And you love the robust taste of the tender chops, which are a popular request at our house. The honey and the garlic sauce is so good. Sometimes I double the recipe so there is extra for dipping. Try this recipe, guys. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section down below. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Boo's Kitchen. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.